Suspended in the night sky, the twisted remains of Mexico City's Line 12. Captured on CCTV, the moment an overpass at the Olivos station collapses onto busy traffic below. Moments later, crowds gather, many trying to find out if their loved ones were on board.
I have a friend who came from work at 10 to 11. Her mother lost contact with her by phone at 10 to 11. She's a dentist and we don't know anything. I talked to her when she left work. She was in contact by message.
Esto es todo, apenas llegamos aquí, no nos dejan pasar. Pero pues eso es todo lo que sabemos hasta ahorita.
Si a tu hermano ya lo llevaran a algún hospital.
No, pues está allá abajo ahorita. Es que no, pues tantas toneladas allá arriba, imagínese. Para mover todo eso, es lo que queremos, que a ver qué onda ahí.
It's understood children are among the dead after the train plunged to the ground at 10:30 on Monday night. As teams recover bodies, others look for survivors under the rubble.
At
this point, we still have not identified those who are trapped, but rest assured that the Secretary of the Navy and all his team and the Civil Protection Team, as well as firefighters, of course, are doing everything they can to see if they can identify any further people.
The Metro line was built nearly 10 years ago